I think IIN helps with these work-based experiences just by not only showcasing something like this organization, but showing kids that you can work with your hands, or you can do several other, jobs that aren't necessarily glamorous, but still have the same opportunities that you would have somewhere else in a bigger corporation.
The most beneficial part that you get out of the work-based experience is the fact that you actually get to have interaction, hands-on time. You're not sitting there in front of a computer all day in front of there reading a book. Yeah, there is some homework time at schooling, and obviously you have to read manuals and stuff and spend computer time in the dealership, but you get the benefits of working with your hands and being out there and taking action. The most important thing I've gotten from the work-based experience from AgriVision equipment is the opportunity that I get to help other students as well whenever I'm learning. The thing that surprises them the most is how much there actually is in the dealership aspect here at AgriVision. There's a whole lot more than just selling equipment and fixing it. There's tons of job opportunities, learning experiences, and fun challenges you get every day in and a day out here at AgriVision.
I think the payback from IIN is really the future of this nation. I mean, if you think about it, we really need people in the workforce, and something like what the IIN does, showing these work-based learning ideas, it really showcases that you can do a lot of things and not necessarily have to go to a 4-year college, or say not even college at all. You can go straight into the workforce and you can still have a job that will help you support yourself and your family.